Hello po, online world. So, ayan po yung ating donuts. So, homemade po yan. Different flavors. Kiddos love mini donuts. So, in one pack like this, they have 4 pieces inside in a one pack. So, it's good for snacks for the kiddos. They love it. The taste so good. And the texture is so fluffy. Let's taste it. Mmm. So mouth watering. If you want like this, you can order for only 40 pesos. The taste is like Dunkin' Donuts. Something like that. It's good to partner in coffee or snacks. The sugary flavor is good, not too sweet, but it's so yummy. I love it. I already ordered 3 packs of this because my two kiddos love to eat donuts and they already eat after school. So I tell to them that leave the other one pack so that I can take a video on it before you eat. So now that they already sleep, I take a video and then tomorrow if they wake up, I'm sure they will find this mini donut and eat. But I already ate the other one. So tomorrow they will have 1.5 pieces because it's already 3. So if you want to order like this, just comment or message me in my messenger Nora Padera Santiago for more inquiries. So that's all. I fix only the mini donuts, snacks for the kiddos. Thank you for watching and happy eating. Bye.